Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord screen share lock. Number one, you have to run a speed test and switch to Ethernet. If possible, connect your device to the Ethernet using an Ethernet cable and try to open your Discord again. Number two, lower screen share quality. High quality screen sharing can strain your internet and hardware. Open Discord and start a screen share session. Click the settings gear icon during the screen share. Lower the resolution to 720p and frame rate as possible. Test the stream to see if the lag improves. Number three, update Discord. Open Discord and click the settings gear icon in the bottom left. Scroll down to About Discord and check for updates. If you can see it right here, you can also do the other way. Just exit the Discord and launch the Discord again. It will automatically check for updates. Step 4, optimize hardware acceleration. Open Discord and go to Settings, Advanced, toggle hardware acceleration. If it's enabled, try turning it off. If it's disabled, try turning it on. Restart Discord and test screen sharing. Step 5, open Task Manager and then try to end unnecessary tasks to free up system resources. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.